Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to go over numbers 6, 7, and 8 in your section 2.2 notes. So what we're going to be doing here is graphing the following functions: y equals absolute value of x, y equals absolute value of x plus 7, y equals absolute value of the quantity x plus 4. We'll take them one at a time. Now it says to make tables, and I strongly encourage you to consider that. And I think what I'll do is kind of color code these. We'll do this first one in red. Alright, x, y. So, making tables is easy. Just pick values for x and calculate the corresponding y values. I'm just going to kind of start over here and work my way to the left. So let's say x is, I don't know, -4. Put that value in. Absolute value of -4 is +4. I'm going to try another one here, maybe 2. I'm sorry, -2. Put -2 in for x. Absolute value of -2 is +2. I'm going to go ahead and put 0 in. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Let's put 2 in. Absolute value of 2 is 2. And I'll put one more in. If we put 4 in, absolute value of 4 is 4. All right, now we just start plotting these points. Now, as far as these guys, I'm just picking values. I'm just picking values kind of in this middle region here. Now, let me talk a little bit about this coordinate system axis I've drawn. I didn't, use any sort of ruler or anything like this. I just sketched these. So my graph is not perfect, but looking at your notes here, you have a nice perfect graph. Make sure you get these in the right places. So the point -4, 4 is on the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. -2, 2. 2 to the left, 2 up. 0, 0. 2, 4. 1, 2. I'm sorry. 2, 2. 1, 2 over, 2 up. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect the dots. And this will keep going forever. So there's a graph of y equals absolute value of x. All right. Let's take this and, let's just shrink that down. All right, give us some more room. All right, this guy, absolute value of x, and then plus 7. I'm going to make myself another table. X, y. Now I'm just going to do the same thing. We'll look at -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. See what comes out of that. All right, putting -4 here. Absolute value of -4 is 4. Plus 7 is 11. Let's put -2 in. Absolute value of -2 is 2. Plus 7 is 9. Put 0 in. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Plus 7 is 7. Put 2 in. Absolute value of 2 is 2. Plus 7 is 9. Put a 4 in. Absolute value of 4 is 4. Plus 7 is 11. All right, there's these points. Let's plot them. My graph, I didn't get quite high enough. I'll get them approximately where they need to go. 4 to the left, 11 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's about there. I'll go ahead and label it. That was -4, 11. You can get that right in the right spot in your notes. -2, 9. 2 to the left, 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe about there. 0, 7. 0 over, 7 up. Makes me thirsty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get it right in the right spot. 2, 9. 2 over. Same height as the last one. 4, 11 is 4 over. Same height as the other one. We'll connect the dots. Okay. Right through my point there. That's okay. So this graph is y equals square root of x plus 7. Something to take note of. The green graph is the same as the red graph, just lifted up 7 units. That was the effect of that plus 7. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Oh, let's see. And what color does that strike me? That looks blue to me. So we'll make a blue table here. X, y. All right. So I'm going to do these first couple and then maybe choose some other points here. All right, let's start with -4. Put a -4 in. Plus 4 is 0. Absolute valued is 0. -2. Plus 4 is 2. Absolute valued is 2. So -2, 2. 0 plus 4 is 4, absolute valued is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, absolute valued is 6. That one goes through the 0.26. I'm going to get a few more, actually I think what I'll do is just plot these and then decide which other ones I want. All right, negative 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Negative 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oops, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think that's right on that point right there. I think that was supposed to be negative 2, 2. I think I got that a little bit to the left, but negative 2, 2 was on that graph. Negative 2, 2 is on the blue graph, so those should have been at the same point. But all right, 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got a pretty good idea of what's happening here. This thing's doing this. Let's kind of take a look at over here. So this one's negative 5. Let's put that one in. Negative 5. If we put that value here, plus 4 is negative 1. Absolute valued is 1. So negative 5, 1. And then let's do negative 6. Let's do negative 7. Negative 7. Put that value here. Plus 4 is negative 3. Absolute valued is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and roughly here. All right. So there is our sketch of y equals absolute value of x plus 4. So one thing I want to take note of, these graphs all have the same general shape. This plus 7 lifted this graph, this red graph up. This plus 4, you'll notice, basically took this red graph and moved it to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. If you look at every single point, this one got moved over 4 units, this one got moved over 4 units, and so forth. And we'll talk more about why that is a little later, but for now I'm just going to call that a horizontal shift. So this plus 4, you'll notice, shifted this graph to the left by an amount 4. So this was just intended to be numbers 6, 7, and 8, so I think I'll stop that there and make another one. Have a great day.